Hello everyone. Now in this lesson we will learn about arrays. Now what are arrays? Before we learn what are arrays, we need to learn why we need arrays. It is always better to learn the use of a concept before you learn that concept. Because then only you will know how to use it. Without knowing how to use that concept, there is no point in learning it. Likewise, we learn why we need arrays. Suppose you are writing a long program and you need 100 or like 50 variables. So what do? You can take the long route by making int x, int y, int z, like that you can write 50 variables. But that would increase the length of your code and also it will make it very complicated. Now that is where arrays come in. By using arrays, for example int x 50, by writing this one single code, you can now use 51 variables. You have just created 51 variables. Why 51? Because the counting starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 50, that is 51 variables are created by just this one line of code. Now array is a collection of variables of the same type that are referenced by a common name, and that common name is x, and 50 is the array size. Now by 50 it is actually 51 because the counting starts from 0, and this part inside the bracket is called subscript or indices of an array, and its numbering starts with 0, and this is our base type, that is it is an integer array like any data type. It is just integer array x of 51 elements all collected under one name, then that name is x. Now you can give it any name you want, you can give it array, whatever you want. Now this array name is array and it contains 51 elements. Now in our next lesson we will learn how to insert into an array and how to print an array onto the output screen. Okay, so see you there. Thank you.